Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. I'm going to show you.
Welcome back to the corner today. Glad to have you. I'm just going to show you a quick fix that I'm going to do for, well, we've got a sunshine that hangs on the house, and here it is. Get my apron on here. You can see that this kind of flaps in the wind quite a bit actually when it flaps, and this here has come loose. So I want to do more of a permanent fix and keep it from flapping. I'm going to cut a piece of thin plywood, about 1/4 inch thick plywood, into a circle and mount that on the back of that to give it some stability, some weight. Piece of 1/4 inch plywood clamped down on here, and I've got my makeshift compass that I duct taped a pencil and a poker type screwdriver, and I was able to get the diameter I needed, that 17 inch. I went ahead and swung my arcs, and I've got that marked on there. I'm going to go ahead. Got an old, little bit of a jigsaw here that I inherited. It's an older one, but boy, it sure works great. I've used it several times. Black & Decker. Old-timey cord. But that's all I got. That's what I'm going to use. So we'll get this plugged in and get to cut. Alright, back to cut. Righty then. There we go. And I'm finally getting the sunshine screwed down onto the plywood now. And to finish up, I found some bronze nail polish that the wife had, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the top of these white rivets. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya!